So we're in the Shasta Trinity National Forest and we're passing by the Fowler Falls on the McCloud River, however you want to pronounce it. But we're here at the lower falls first. I've driven by this a few times and never really stopped because it's been late in the day. So it's going to be really nice to be able to check it out. We're here to throw some trash away. Doesn't look like it gets serviced very often. It's pretty full. But anyway, we're going down this short path to go see the falls. Hopefully they're pretty awesome. I have no idea what to expect here. You're going to see it for the first time with me. I've never seen it. So let's go see. So we're here at the falls. They're not very big. It says the beauty and nourishment of the lower falls has always drawn people. Talks about the natives and the fact that the river offered protection for the Winnemen Wintus. They thrived on the rich supply of salmon. So there was a lot of salmon in this river. That's pretty awesome. And then I guess the salmon are gone and there's some decent trout fishing here. We might try a little bit of that. Anyway, there's some Middle Falls pictures and some old stuff. Let's go check it out, guys. This is the falls. Looks like there's some people down there fishing now, just like they depict in the information. It's nice because the sun is like right on it. It's a pretty nice looking fall, guys. Let's go check out the other ones now. She likes waterfalls now.
Oh, that's nice. A dirty diaper in there.
That's the downside getting back into California. We got the diaper bush here. Unfortunately, it's not a good thing to grab stuff like that, and I don't have gloves. I'm not gonna grab somebody's dirty diaper and then go touch my own kid, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we're out of here. We're gonna go see the Middle and Upper Falls. I guess they're real close to each other, so we might even throw a little line out there and see what they got for some trout.
You know, like emergency.
So we're here at the Middle Falls. We're gonna go check it out. I'm not sure if we walk down there or if there's just an overlook, but we're gonna find out for you. Looks like there's mostly just an overlook, but it has an option to go down to it. Oh yeah, that's pretty dang nice. So that's pretty nice, guys. It looks like there's a pretty decent falls. This Middle Falls is really nice. Really big pool below it. Some people swimming. There's a lot of people down there. That's cool. It's a pretty big falls. Really nice river. Alright, let's go check it out. We're gonna go around the corner here and there's another overlook over here. So here are the falls from another viewpoint, a little bit more straight on. Looks like if you were here in the noontime or afternoon, you'd have more sunlight on it. But this is fine. Still nice and cool outside. Middle Fowler Falls, really nice. Can't believe the salmon used to run up that. That's pretty amazing.
No.
Don't forget to get a good look at Shasta before you get out of here. Pretty epic. So much snow up there. The north face is just blanketed white still. This is the south facing side. Man, that's pretty. We noticed this on the way in, man. People leave their keys down there. That sucks. So that means people were locked out of their cars here. Man, that's terrible. So there's a fire crew here. There's two trucks. And they had all their gear and their axes, and I think they're just going down to cut trails or something. But McCloud Fire, man, they've been through hell in the last few years around here. They've been dealing with some major fires. I'm very thankful for them. So we're here at the Upper Falls picnic area. Looks like you can, right over here to the river, it looks real nice. I can hear the falls, but it looks like there's an overlook down this way, so we'll go over here first. Not much info on the boards. Just gonna head on down here. Tiny little bird hopping around. Just walking down the trail. I have no idea how long these trails are to get to any of this stuff. The signage is pretty bad for this area. There's no maps, nothing. I'm guessing it's not too far. So we'll check back in when we get to the overlook. So I think there's a overlook right at the falls, and then you can walk past it. If you went to the right, there's a little split right there. And if you go right, I think that takes you further down and you can see more of a straight on shot of the falls. This spot is a railing that's right above it. So the railing is nice. I wouldn't trust all of it, so keep an eye on your kids. Let's go see it. Oh yeah, we're right above it. You can't really see it at all from where we're at. It looks like on that side you would have a great view. It'd be a great place for a bridge. But looks like you can come over here and maybe get a little better view. There we go. holes from the river. And it scours out the volcanic rock. It's really neat. I've only seen this in a few places exposed like that on volcanic rock, and one of them is Fossil Falls near Lone Pine, California, Coso Junction. You see this? Picture Native Americans sitting right here thousands of years ago along this and just enjoying this. I'm sure they did. Looks like there's some weeds or trees under there, like a big branch. Oh yeah, there's a big log right there. Check this out. This is why you guys got to be careful when you're jumping in. It's under there. That'll take a long time to get rid of that. Let's go down over here and see if we can see the falls more straight on. Already for me, the middle falls is the best. We didn't hike down to it with the baby and all that. It's just a little bit rough right now for that kind of stuff, but we will probably come back here. We come through this area quite often, so it's not a big deal. We'll see it again. We're gonna walk over here and see if there's any better views. Nice shaded area. That's what I really like too about this, is if you guys are looking to get out of the car after driving, this is a great spot to just cruise along the shaded paths and check it all out. There's a nice one right here. Yeah, it's really pretty. Looks like there's a tree in the way. But there you go. Check that out, guys. It's not bad. Well, that was really nice. There's probably a good chance at a rainbow in this waterfall right here, if you can time the sunlight right. Yeah, this is the best viewpoint right here. Looks like there is a trail that heads down there, but we're not gonna make it. That's not bad. This is probably a tie with the middle falls. That's really nice. I'll let you guys just enjoy this one. There you go. So it looks like there is a river trail. We're not gonna take it. We're just headed back. We're only here to see the falls. So off we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I sure did. Those waterfalls are pretty nice. They're not huge by any means, but they're really picturesque, and the crowds are low. So if you're looking for a nice break from the highway and you want to see some nice waterfalls along the McCloud River just south of Mount Shasta, check this out. Come by and pay attention to the signs. There's not a lot of them on the road. My only tip is you come from the west to east, go see the lower falls, and then the middle and upper are on the same road. So when you're done with the middle, you're gonna come out and make a right, and about half mile, 3/4 mile, you're gonna come along to the upper falls, where I'm at right now. And that's it, guys. So it's really neat. Definitely worth a stop, 100%. So stop on in. All right. From the McCloud River, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.